Love is more than actions, and it is more than words. Love cannot be found where it doesn't exist, and it cannot be denied where it does. But love also exists in the little things. A smile here, an encouraging word there. A heart full of love isn't something you can give away. Overflowing is something that simply happens. There's no substitute for a great love who says, no matter what's wrong with you, you're welcome at this table. If beauty is in the eye of the beholder, then why do we close our eyes when we kiss? I am not sure exactly how to define romantic love because I have never fallen out of it, but I do know that every time we say goodbye, even if we are going to see each other in a few hours, we cry and act as if we will never see each other again. And every time we say hello, we embrace as if it were the first time. Romance is thinking about your significant other when you are supposed to be thinking about something else. What I love most about my home is who I share it with. If love is blind, why is lingerie so popular? When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. The course of true love never did run smooth. Love doesn't make the world go round. It's what makes the ride worthwhile. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Love is like dew that falls on both nettles and lilies. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. Love means feeling free enough to say things that are sometimes awkward or embarrassing.